Hi, welcome back NextTech Spark.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning glow effect for your videos using CapCut on PC. This effect adds a cinematic and eye-catching touch, making your clip stand out. I'll be guiding you step by step through the entire process, from setting up your video to applying the glow effect and making adjustments for the best results. Whether you're a beginner or already familiar with CapCut, this tutorial will help you enhance your editing skills. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump right into the tutorial and get started. Insta STEM.